Hello and thank you for watching today. We are going to talk about Cricut's Infusible ink markers, which are these, and I can link it down below so you know where to purchase them. You can get them on Amazon, Walmart, Target, Joann's. Almost any craft store has these. So these are, they have a special ink that they're made with, and you can actually create your own awesome customizable mug, t-shirt, magnet, all kinds of different things. So my daughter had made this. So she drew her own picture onto a special piece of paper and using these markers. And we put it in the mug press for a few minutes, and this is how it turned out. So pretty awesome. And this is actually the Cricut brand cup, and I can link those as well down below. So if you are into Cricut, if you are into creating your own crafts, I would definitely recommend checking out these infusible ink markers from Cricut. They do have to be special mugs. They do have to be sublimation mugs because it helps the ink adhere and infuse to the mug or shirt or whatever you are designing. So thought I'd share that with you. Awesome project for the kids, awesome gift idea for grandparents, and anyone like that. So check out these supplies you need down below, and I will talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day.